Mark, I made a mistake, and I've thought about you every day since...
A mistake?!
Son...
No, you don't get to call me that anymore!
They shouldn't matter to me.
That doesn't mean they should die.
You don't understand! I'm not supposed to feel this way! How is this better?
This is how you should have felt on Earth.
I think I miss my wife.
I do love your mother, but she's more like a pet.
What will you have after 500 years?
What do you want me to say, Mark?
You could have started with, "I'm sorry."